All right, we're going to look at setting a custom color and transparency. Tried multiple ways for transparency. I've found it easier just to use glass, even though these parts are made out of plastic. So right now, my material is still ABS plastic, and I have chose the green paint from the last part. But I want to customize this. I don't like this shade of green. I'm looking for pink, which isn't a color option. We can really change this however we want. So since I have used green, if I right click on it, I can edit this. I can drastically change the hue. This being said, I would take note of these numbers. Trying to match these by manually moving this is too time consuming. This is your RGB scale. I would jot these down. Now, luckily you will get a color swatch that is then saved. I am aware that there is the option to change transparency here, but I am having a hard time making this work. So here is my next option. My suggestion is to go under glass. And you have some glass options typically for like a windshield, for tail lights. You have these options to drag and drop these into position. That being said, I can then take this and edit this one. I've been using glass, and I've been dropping this number down just a little bit. To get a transparent part. In the assembly, once rendered, it does look much better. If this is too dark for you, you can lighten it up the same way that we have changed color in the past. Well, in this demonstration, you can still change that tint to it. If you wanted yellow, I can come in here, set this to being yellow. And I have a clear yellow part. I think that needs to be a little darker. Too dark. There, that's a little better. So even making a transparent part, custom color, you can really choose whatever one you want. The fact that you can customize this. I want some baby blue color. I want more of a neon green color. I can set that custom color or transparency.